One of your assignments for this week is going to be practice editing in Photoshop. And so to get started doing that, you have to download the pictures from your Google Drive. Or if you already have pictures on the computer, that's fine. But most of you should have them in your Google Drive. So you're going to choose a few to download. And to do that, all you do is click on the three little dots in the top corner and click download. I'm going to have you edit and turn in 2 pictures. So just pick 2 random ones that could use a little bit of editing to make them better. And download those guys, and then you're going to get into Photoshop. And so yours should just pop up automatically on your desktop. Mine is not on this computer, so I'll just search it up a little bit. That's just the little icon that has the P and the S in it. Alright, this should be about what your screen looks like whenever Photoshop opens up. And so all we're going to do is keep it real simple. You're just going to go to the left-hand side and click Open. And click the photos that you downloaded that we're going to be editing. So open those, and you can open 2 at the same time. If you look at the top here, it just puts them on different tabs, and so you can have multiple projects open at the same time. Okay, what you need to do as soon as you get into Photoshop, like once you get pictures uploaded, you are going to crop it first. Like that's your first step. So the crop tool is right here, and then it'll pop up with these little tabs, and so you just adjust these in and out however you feel like it looks best for the picture. And so I'm just going to crop mine just a little bit right there, and then click done. The other thing that you can do that might be beneficial for some of your photos is you can straighten it. So like sometimes your camera is a little tilted and the photo's a little tilted, and so if you click on this little ruler up here where it says straighten, click on that, and then you come down here and just draw a straight line. So like I'm going to follow the horizon right here, and then it just shifted it just a little bit. So it was pretty straight already. Sometimes it's a little bit more drastic of a shift, but one was pretty straight. Okay, once you have cropped and straightened your photo, if it needs it, you're going to go over to the right-hand side. There's a lot of stuff over here, but you should have something that says adjustments on it. And so you're going to click that. And again, there's a lot of stuff on here. The only thing I want you to worry about for this like first initial practice with Photoshop is just adjusting the brightness and contrast of your picture. So click on that, and then you slide the bars up, down, over, okay, however you feel like it's going to look the best. Adjust your brightness and contrast. I think that's probably fine for that one. Okay, once you start playing around with your photo in Photoshop, it creates different layers. So if you look right here, I have background and I have brightness and contrast 1. You cannot save the photo in the format we need to save it in if it has multiple layers. So before you can save it, you need to go through and do something called merge the layers. So if you just right click on one of the layers, it's going to pop up with all these options over here. You just click merge visible. Click it and it'll merge it into one layer, and then we can save it like that. Okay. You are going to click save as, because we are going to rename it. So keep whatever number it has in there, and then you're just going to add edited to the end of that number. That way we know that's the edited version. So save. Okay. And that one's done. Alright, so I'll show you one more time. We've got the picture that we uploaded on the other tab right here. So start off with cropping your photo. This one is not going to be able to be straightened just because there's no like clear horizontal lines in it. And so we don't have to worry about straightening this one. Okay, it's cropped like that. Alright, and so same thing as last time, you're going to go over to the right and click adjustments, and click on brightness and contrast. Adjust it up or down wherever you feel like it looks better. Right, and then once you've done that, you've got to merge the layers again. Merge visible, and go through and save as. Save. Okay, once you have your pictures edited and saved again, you are going to put your original photo and your edited photo in slides. Okay, so like slide 1 would be original picture, slide 2 would be the edited version of it, slide 3 original, slide 4 edited. Okay, and that's one of your assignments for this week that you need to turn it.